As I said before, your testosterone is hugely affected by your level and type of physical activity. So a couple of major reasons why you might not have a lot of available or free testosterone, as they call it, is because you are either A, not working out, or currently not working out or exercising in any way, and shame on you. Seriously, shame on you. I mean, as a trainer, I can say I'm very disappointed. No, I'm just kidding. I'm just so excited that you're taking this course, because if you've never been physically active before in your life, I'm going to give you the exact way, the exact routine. I'm going to lay out a plan for you so that you can engage in the right kind of physical activity and the exact exercises that you're going to need to elevate your testosterone to levels that you never even thought were imaginable. And if you're in that first category, great. I cannot wait to teach you. I'm so excited to show you these exercises that are going to take your testosterone game to the next level. If you're in the second category, which you're going to have to openly admit this, and this is tough for some of us to put our pride away and accept the facts that you're about to hear, but you may not know how to work out correctly to elicit the proper testosterone production. I know this sheerly from the fact of, if I look at any given individual in the gym and observe what they're doing, male or female, I would say it's a toss of a coin as to whether I see someone doing what I would refer to as an effective exercise versus an ultimately ineffective exercise, or something that's even dangerous or harmful. I can't tell you how many crazy things I see in the gym on a daily basis, and I just question, what are they doing? What is the goal of this? And most of the time, even as an experienced trainer and health professional, I can't even tell what the goal of the exercise is, what they're focusing on working, or what kind of response they're trying to elicit from their body. So as I said, when it comes to physical activity, it is key in elevating your testosterone production. If you don't currently work out, that's fantastic. I'm going to show you all the exercises you need. I'm going to set up a routine for you and tell you everything you need to know, even the times that you will be lifting over the course of one repetition of an exercise. So you will be completely taken care of. I teach people like you in person every day, and I have such great tools online here on Udemy that I can use to show you how to perform these movements and how to perform these workouts. And if you are already currently working out but may not be doing so correctly, time to put your pride aside for a second. Be open to some new things. This is how we continue to learn and transform with our bodies and education. We're just going to pack away the pride for a second. I'm going to show you some of these incredible, simple, and effective techniques for boosting your testosterone and how to train. So you can take some fun, new things into the gym and have a great goal of boosting your testosterone.